what's going on, guys? We're going to be doing an oil change for you here. I also just recently purchased a Billet aluminum oil filter housing cap, and I got a magnetic drain plug here for you guys. See if this will focus. There we go. Both from ECS Tuning. All I'm missing, don't mind all the parts, is some engine oil, because I'm basically out. So we're gonna go grab that, and then we'll get right to it.
We're over at Sears' house now to do just a slight oil change on his car this time. We did James's last. Let's hope this one doesn't take an hour like it took James and me to do his. Dodge, I hate your products. Enough said. Like, if you could sponsor the rest of the guys on this video, if that ever happens, I'll turn it down. On God, I don't give a crap how much money it is. I'll turn it down. Chev, you could sponsor me for a cent. I don't care. I love you, Chev. Anyways, we're doing an oil change on the Audi today. Sear is just chilling here. You went out to buying all the stuff earlier to get it. I was out doing my own thing and I came over here. So we're just kind of going to set up the camera and you guys can just watch us change the oil to the Audi S4.
Let's hope it doesn't.
It can go up a little bit more, it looks like, though, don't you think?
Yeah. Try that.
That doesn't sound too good.
There's the plastic ring.
Completely forgot to tell you guys actually, but last night when me and Sear were driving to the place that was really dark, Gondola Point, last night to get the photos, we were making a joke where I was like, man, over our life, all the boys should see who can accumulate the largest ticket to see who wins. And we were like, that's a great idea. And then he drops me off, starts driving home, and I look on his Snapchat story, but he got a ticket right after. It's like 172, but at least he can maybe get rid of it, so.
Yeah, I should be able to.
That's the plus. But like, it's the fact that we just went right before and talking about getting a big ass ticket, and then 5 minutes later he got a ticket. It's incredible. automatically already put up another recording.
When did it start? When did it stop?
I have no idea.
We probably should have been checking that.
Hey, okay, for everybody here, we don't know when this ends. There could be...
No. Go on check the video?
Yeah, okay, I'll check the video. But just in case, I'll just film this now. But there might be like 20 minutes of footage you're missing where, James, I basically just bullied you on camera through the camera because I know you have to edit it. And I told, for anybody that's a hockey viewer on this YouTube channel, I said Ovechkin's the GOAT because he's going to score more goals than Gretzky in a harder league where the average goals per game was cut in half. He's just the better goal scorer. He's a more physical player. If you want to look at me and go, but Ovi doesn't play defense. Neither did Wayne Gretzky. Ovechkin's the GOAT. Acknowledge it. Just because he's Russian and you guys don't want to like him, doesn't matter. Almost 900 goals. He scored 40 goals. It's 37 last year. GOAT. Anyways, here's the car that we've been doing the oil change on. It's all done now. We thought the camera was still rolling.
Yeah.
We just got the last block to take off and then...
Show them in a second.
Oh, yeah.
We got the new oil filter housing cap on. Boom.
He upgraded from plastic to metal, and then he got this little magnetic thing to go into his the plug to his drain, so that if his engine's fucked, it'll pull all the metal down to it, so he'll be able to see if there's pieces of metal in his engine.
Yeah.
Kind of a smart move by the Elixir. Yes, there's a "the" in front of his name out here. All right, now we're just putting the oil in. What kind of oil did you get?
Oh, Quaker State. Best Euro full synthetic 540 out there.
There we go.
Other than Mobile One, but we don't have that here, so.
Yeah. We're Canadian. We get all the extra shit that they don't want to ship to America.
Could put a little bit more.
Yeah, I'd say just fill it up a little bit more. Alright, so we just put the new oil in it. We're about to start it up now. Sear, get that going. We're finishing up this oil change now. I'm about to go home and do the draft for the league that your St. John Storm are going to be competing in. The league is called the NAHL. Make sure you go follow the St. John Storm on Instagram, TikTok, and make sure you go watch our Twitch streams. We are one of the top teams in the world in the NHL community. And we can't wait to start this league. We're very fortunate to be given this opportunity, and we are so happy to be a part of this. So make sure you guys go watch that stream. I'm about to go do the draft and get the whole team set up here soon. It's got most of the guys that we have. Like Ty Michaud, who's also in this page, is on that as well. So definitely go check that out. We got the draft tonight. League starts September 2nd. So make sure you guys are there to watch that. Anyways, I'm about to go do that, and I'll meet up with Sear again later to film more content for you guys. See you guys later. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. So fuck you. Make sure you go leave a like and subscribe. Go follow us on our social medias. It is Velocity Drive on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We're working on the Twitter as we speak. Anyways, love you. Goodbye.